Morning. It's like 3 o'clock. Y'all plan on getting up today? Okay, bye. They're gonna be asleep. Anyways, this is my super duper, I have like 20 minutes to get to work makeup look, basic as. This is the look that I do when I don't want to look dead or I don't want people asking me if I'm sick. So this is gonna be super quick and let's get to it. Let's do it. Just watch. Starting off with this Clinique travel size moisturizer that I picked up at Ulta, and just rub that in all over my face. And I'm going to use this Benefit Pore Primer, and what I'll do is I'll just do a little bit around my cheeks, a lot on my forehead and nose, because those tend to be the oiliest spots on me. So I'm using the NYX Matte Finish Spray. Ugh. And the reason that I use this on my face before I put anything else on is because I have really oily skin, and I have figured out that if I spray that stuff on my face before I put any concealer or anything on my face stays extra matte. So I definitely recommend that if you haven't tried doing that. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Pure Beige, and this is kind of my color in a way, but I'm telling you, this is my super fast makeup routine. I do not have time to do any foundation, so I'm literally just gonna put this all over my face. Trust me. Hello?
This is an important message regarding your current credit card account. We have made...
Okay, so using this concealer on just like the middle section of my face is literally to just cover any like redness around my nose and around my mouth and pretty much the circles under my eye. And I pretty much just do this. So I don't have people at work asking me if I'm sick. No, I'm not sick. I just woke up late and I had to run to work. Okay, bye. Now I'm going in with this NYX HD Studio Concealer. And this is CW04. This to me, I feel is like the most important part because this is going to kind of make me look awake. And I put a little over my eyelids, and that's because mine tend to get a little dark. So I'm just going to do a little bit because I'm not even going to do eyeshadow. I'm just going to sling this HD powder under my eyes and on my eyes and a little bit on my forehead. I just don't want those areas to get too oily or crease up. So dab that shit on there. Meanwhile, while that's setting, I'm just gonna moisturize my crusty lips. Take that powder off. Going in with the Infallible Pro Matte powder, and this is in 500 Sun Beige. Gonna go all over my face with it. Stuff's already starting to look better around here. I'm going in with this True Match powder, and this is in C8 Cocoa, and this is super blendable, so I use this for my contouring. Going in with this highlighter that I got from my Ipsy bag, and this cute brush as well, so shout out to Ipsy. Now I'm going in with this Tarte, also another product from my Ipsy bag, and this is in color Feisty. This right now is literally my favorite blush. It's so cute. And I like a lot of fucking blush. And you see how this is just like white and then blush? I saw another girl in a video, and honestly if I could remember I would tag her in it, but I forgot. Just swipe it over here, like kind of towards your nose, like this. Put some a little bit on your nose. You see now it just doesn't look too much like blush. It looks more normal, like okay, I just got a little hit by a little sun, I'm glowing just a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna brush out these caterpillars out, and I'm not gonna do any eyeliner because like I said, this is like super fast, like trying to get out of here. I just want to look alive. I don't want to look dead or like I literally just woke up, so I'm not gonna do that, but I am going to pile on some mascara. And with this Q-tip, I'm just gonna clean up where I fucked up. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go in with my favorite lipstick, which mine is the Revlon Rose Wine in like the cream, in the cream. But you can use whatever lipstick you want. This one just to me is my color and looks good. Then I went in with my NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray, and that completed my look. Okay, so this completes my video. This is my super duper basic ass, got like 20 minutes to get to work, but I don't want to look dead, or I don't want people asking me if I'm sick look. This look just makes me look alive and a little playful, and you know, very simple, very easy, super fast. These are my kids. This is, what's your name? Oh yeah, this is Itty Bitty, and that is Little Bit. These are my girls. Aren't they so cute? They're so little. Oh, girl, your breath kicking. Ooh, you're so cute. Say hi. Hi. Oh. Thumbnail. They don't like me that much. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a like and subscribe for future videos. Thank you.